This is a typical Baron, Bonanza, Debonair, T34 main landing gear hinge point. This is the forward point, and you can see the door moving against the stationary hardware. Now this one isn't worn, there's no vertical motion in it, and there's a steel sleeve running against a steel bushing. As long as that's lubricated, there's no problem here. But if you don't get lubrication between the sleeve and the bushing, what happens is they seize together. Then as the door moves, when the landing gear goes up and down, the sleeve wears the attach hardware and you lose the hole. Then all you have to do, and all you can do really, is eliminate these hardware angle pieces. You've got to de-rivet them. You've got to de-rivet part of the wing to get at them. It's a huge amount of work, and re-rivet new ones in. Now, with the Marsh Brothers kit, you put the AeroTough bushing in there with a stainless steel sleeve. You never have to lubricate it, and you're never going to have the problem. It's just an insurance policy with a single payment. Folks, this is the Marsh Brothers main landing gear door bushing upgrade kit. It's for Bonanzas, Barons, Debonairs, etc. Inside the kit, we've got stainless steel bushings for each position, AeroTough bushings to go into the door hinge, and all the hardware you need, including a reamer in case you need it.